Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your speaker JBL Charge 6 on your Android device. And basically we have only one option how to check it. So normally, we can check it in the control panel, but as you can see, no battery percentages here. We can also check it in the settings. We can go to settings, connected devices, check it right here, and no battery percentages. Also on some devices we can click at the settings icon, check it right here, again no battery percentages. And the only way is to use an application. You just open it, click on your speaker here, and at the top we have battery percentages. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.